Sweating, Mama?
Yep.
Get in there under that fan, Ma.
Yeah, well, I feel a little breeze out here. I cut my blooms off of my things like that. They've been over and looking. Okay, I'm going in.
No close-ups then.
No, it's not enough light in there. It's too dark in there to see if you drop any screws in that carpet. You never find them.
What's happening to you, man?
Not much. What's going on with you?
I've told him 50 times, kid.
Plus gym shoes, not loafers.
I know it. I told him to get his gym shoes too.
Deborah had firecrackers.
Riley says, ooh.
Having fireworks? Or I should bring fireworks. I got a few fireworks I can bring some.
Never had too
I
many
got some.
fireworks, kid.
I got 6 slabs of ribs, baby back ribs,
I'll mark that on my calendar.
grilled chicken.
I told her even if we go to Jerry and Lori's, we usually come back before Sunday anyway. We go
Labor
there
Day
Friday.
weekend,
Yeah.
Sunday night.
Yeah, we'll just. it's
Maybe
nice
go up
to
there
stay
Friday
here.
or Saturday.
We
I
had
was
one
gonna
of
shoot
them,
some over here last night at you.
If we had one of them cherry pickers, man, we could get up real high, park it at the end of the pond. You could get up there and film me and G racing around the pond in our golf cart.
Yeah. Could have a race.
Well, it's really nice.
I'm about to commit a felony, drunk driving.
Uh-oh. Give him a ticket.
Drunk driving with your mother, that's not.
Bye,
Drinking and
G-Man.
driving.
You'll be on Jerry Springer, Dean.
You want me to take your picture, Dad? Well, you guys peel out across the way.
Okay.
You ride with Luther.
We got a convoy going on.
And it's a convoy. Rubber duck.
Like old bathtub.
Put the pedal to the metal. Let them roar. Whoa, watch out.
Size on it?
And there goes number 2.
I couldn't see that bar was back there.
Bye, you guys.
Bye.
Bye.